Here we go. This is going to be my third Battle League for the day. I played one earlier and I won three, and then the next one I won one. But they were close, so I really don't know what to do. I might go back to the other league. I don't know. So there's a few here. I was just trying to get a wee. What do you call that? Excellent shot. So hard to get these names, It's really hard. Excellent. Such a really big word and all. Here we go. There we go. Oh, so the match is on there. I'm a wee bit distracted here. I turned the match on. I did do a bet now. Rangers stuffed Dortmund last week. Now Dortmund are without their forward. What do you call him? Haaland. But they're still a really good team, and Rangers annihilated them last week. So it was 4-2. So I really thought Dortmund would come back here, and I didn't think Rangers would score, and I done the bet based around that, and Rangers I just got a penalty there, and I've only turned it on. I was watching Dragon's Den, so I've only turned it on, and Rangers got a penalty, and they're still playing really good against Dortmund. Dortmund are such a team like in Europe, but Rangers are just playing brilliant. Like they're just playing so good. So there's my bet beat, and let's see if I can play Battle League any better than I can pick a bet. 42 and 42 is 84, 28 ahead of 50%, 2058, lost loads of points, going down there. I changed back to Cresselia opening instead of Swampert opening, so we'll see what we'll do here. I'm definitely going to bed early tonight. Good start, good start. More than likely we'll swap either right away or before I release this. So I'm going to go on by where I need to go. Now, it's Ice or the other one. Dynamic Punch. Scald. Oh, crikey, Joe. I was going on by, now my attack fell. I didn't know it was an attack faller. Scald. Do you know what? I think that name should be banned. It really should, because Scald, you basically throwing warm water. It shouldn't be that way. Definitely not. So I don't know. See with these debuffs, I don't know whether it lasts the whole time or just for your next shot. Oh, the steam coming out. It's horrific. Ooh. Not his big fists. He's class, like. So there we are. Will I get two shields? Is he gonna double scald? Double shield? He's ready. Double scalded me. That an idiot. Nope. He's gonna take it. He's gonna take it and go. So I am one shield ahead. Plus this. Plus, will I get a wee move from this? I'm gonna go for the big move. There we go. Might get a wee debuff. But I've two shields, so it'll work for my ice monster. No. I'm gonna get another one. Here we go. He's gonna hit me. Maybe with a frenzy, maybe with a sludge. But hopefully a sludge first. Yes. Is this a frenzy or hopefully it's a sludge? Have to do the big one. No, so he's a chance of getting a sludge or he's a chance of swapping. Will he shield though? Will he shield? Because there's a chance if he doesn't get that sludge up. Oh look, see, I'm full health. Perfect. Perfect. Now I have 2 mons left for his last one. He might just give up. Yeah, he's just going to give up. Ultra. Here we go. Oh my goodness. So this is strange. I have a busted leg, right? So there's nerve damage and all there. So my balance is a way off, since my body knows. This is a wee shiny one. My body knows there's an injury there. So it's trying to fall to one side to compensate for it and stuff. And what's happening then is, if I'm walking along the crutches and I turn my head to the side or the other side to look, I'm losing my balance. I'm getting really dizzy and losing my balance. So it was showing you in that football match, them is looking around in the stadium and showed you like the upper tier in the stadium. And I felt my head go, which is strange because it's only TV. But anytime since I'm injured, anytime I see an injury, oh, it's giving me the heebie-jeebies. So I'm seeing her. Someone got a boot in the foot, and oh yes, that's what I needed. I needed a shield. I'm gonna go for the big move and see what happens. I can actually feel at my leg if someone else gets injured. So it's so strange. It really is strange. Oh my! I got the debuff and all. What is he doing? Why would you double shield? His moves are a kick. Oh, I still didn't get me out with it. So here we go. This is perfect for it. This is perfect for it. So I really think that's inexperience. I really don't know. This should take him out. It looks like he's gave up. No, it didn't. Did now. So I have 1.5 mons but 2 shields, so doesn't matter about switch advantage. He hasn't much there. Like, let me see what this does. We'll see what this one does. Now I need this for the other one, really. So I'm gonna have to double shield and hope for a swap. Yeah. I'll try the big green one. I know what. I don't think the green one does it. I think it's the ice. I'll just go for the ice. I really don't think it's the green one. I need this swap. I just need the swap. The other team's just scored. Dortmund's just scored. Look at that, soon nothing. Come on, you boss drinker. Oh yes, thought it would have done more damage. There we go. I need 1 hit. Shit. I need 1 hit on that ice monster. This is not good. We swapped at the same time. I went to swap and he swapped at the same time. Actually, he swapped just before me, so I didn't pick up on it. So I'm not going to win this. He's got to move. If this is sludge him out. If it's the other one, I might get a shot in. I doubt it very much though. Sludge. So yeah, 2 opportunities had there to win. 1, sorry. I didn't take it. Swapped at the end there when didn't need to. Next, Ultra. Here we go, mate, like what? So same again, Ice is really good against that, but Moonblast is good. I don't think any of his is good against me. Outrage? Does he get Outrage in it? Oh my, look at that! I think that might be his big move. I'm going to shield. Terrible. I want to get the farm down here. Now, I've done really good with this. What has he got? Do you know what? I think it's a green move that does it, but I can't get the debuff. I'll see what it does. I know my Watermon will do better against that. Was that a debuff he got? Are you serious? I released the green thinking I wouldn't get another head in, but it didn't even happen. Well, I got something. So he hasn't went down any, but do I have more shields? I don't know. Yes, I'm ahead by one shield here. He's went down a wee bit there. I'm not going to shield that, that'll not do that much. Have to go for the big one. There we go. I think the big one will do it. Nope. This will definitely do it, this next one. Will I get it in time? Yeah, this has to do it. So I'm thinking two of them Hydos would probably be better. Oh, now he swapped. If I can get this released. Yep. There we go. His fighting moves will do really good against me. But he swapped, so I'm going to have to get one hit in here. Look at that, he's not even getting a hit and he's fucking shredding the life out of me. Oh, I forgot about that. There we go, look at that. I forgot I had that shield. Oh, see if I looked away at that match. That's what would have happened. I would have lost. Yes. There we have it. Hello, Pineapple. Hello, are we? Ah, what's wrong? Mary's son. So, oh, is he going to the toilet?
No, she's not there.
So we have a wee stray cat, we'll call him Pineapple. And we have our wee cat, who is El Tabsterino. What I will do is, El Tabsterino is a boy, and our cat is a girl. Oh, I'm getting invited to a raid, but I need to show you them, and I can show you them in this easy enough. So there is El Tabsterino, and there is wee Pineapple, who is sitting in a litter box, and they aren't, he isn't leaving him alone. Oh, let me see if there's many people doing it. I don't have time. No, if it had a set a number there, I would have went in and done it. But what's the time checking this? 15 minutes. Hello, wee son. I mean, me darling. I keep forgetting you're a girl. You're my wee boy. So, 2 out of 3. So what's happening here with our cat, El Tabastrino, the boy. He's a tabby cat, so he doesn't really let you pet him. It's all on his terms, and the only time he lets you pet him is when he's sick or really, really tired. So Tara will probably start crying here. Yeah, because Tara knows when the other one, when that wee kitten is feeling anxious, and when it's feeling anxious, Tara will cry. Oh, look at this. Come on, you can go by. Look, you see? Hello. So he doesn't go across the mat. There's Tara. It's okay, Tara. It's okay. Tara's probably gonna knock his camera over. It's okay. Do you want to jump up too? He doesn't go across the mat. He walks around the outside of the mat. Or, hello. You okay? This is class. He doesn't go, oh sugar. It could be a fight. I'll move that over just to see. I don't think they're fighting. Like, wait a see. He is there. There's the two of them there. So we'll just. Oh shit! The game started. I cannot believe that just happened. I'm too busy looking at the cats. I really can't believe that happened. Yes, because I'm watching news too. So, yeah, because I'm more interested in the cats and whether they're going to fight, I didn't know how to start. There's something. I need switch advantage. Hello. There we gig. So for this, if I remember, I'll probably, my cat's falling asleep there. I'll probably take me out of this and, oh, so, I've no shields, but I think I've done alright there. Yes, because he's fire, so getting switch advantage for to use my Watermon. Yes. Oh, so close. So, here we go. He does have a very good, is it blast burn you call it? No. Overheat, that's what it is. He might swap here, yeah, he did swap. Will you seriously? 2 moves up and it wouldn't fucking release. I am livid. Livid. Wouldn't release. Bastard. Look at that. Fuck off. Now 2 hydros up. So I would have won that. 2 hydros and it wouldn't release. Like seriously. How? If it's gone up to 2 and I'm hitting it and it's still gone up, how the fuck is it not releasing? Fucking. Yeah, I think you pack up. As Dortmund have just scored. It's a whopping goal too, so it's 5-4, so their comeback's on, they're only 1 goal behind. So it's crazy match, it's just end to end here. You okay? Okay. So the wee cat stayed here tonight. I didn't know it was in Ethan's room today, so she's been here all day. Oh, they'll need to swap right away. So that last one, I could have won that so easily. I don't think his moves are any good. Gengar. Is it water or ice? I think I'm going to be alright for that matchup. That Cresselia can take care of it. But I don't know whether they're going to have a Pheromone, so I should double shield this one, because this can take my whole team out. What's wrong? There we go, there we go. Now, what's he going to do now? Who's coming on board? I have 3 Mons, but no shields. Can I get this released? You bastard. This is a... what do you call it? Cross chop? Oh, yes. I got it released. So has he still got a shield? Dead, and I'm not swapping. There. My chance. Oh shit, I can't. Now the big move here. I should knock it down, and then one ice will take it out. It's flying, and oh shit, no. I can't swap into an ice monster. Are they gonna fight? Are they gonna kiss? I need to farm it down. Shit. Hopefully this is just a wee move. Doubt it very much though. I'm gonna get my face melted here. Blast burn. Piss off. So many I could win, and I'm just getting my ass kicked. Is that it? 2. So I'll go down even more. 20, 58 down to 40. So the next set I'm going to actually concentrate and look at the screen when I'm playing. Okay. Over and out. Hope you enjoyed seeing them cats. Oh, my leg. Oh. Over and out. Bye.